Okay guys, this is my living room fall tour. The new door. As you can see right there, that is my thrift haul. It's actually a towel rack, but I use it for a blanket rack for the season. I just have a little pumpkin up top there. Changed a few things in there if you go back and watch my old video, but pretty much the same. And the door, just have my harvest wreath. That's a little Dollar Tree sign behind it. It's pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, which I love that saying. And then in my window, my DIY pumpkin, my little lighted tree that I got from Roses last year. And the little sign came from Dollar General, I believe. That come from Dollar General. And then a family picture my sister-in-law made for us. And then that pumpkin was a birthday gift. And I think it come from Dollar General. And then here on my end table, you know, we still have to put our board and batten up in this room. See, that's what the other room looked like till we finished it. We've got it. We just, one room at a time. When the curtains close, you can't see it. But I have my Scentsy burner with apple s'mores. Smells so good. Just a few little fall decor items. Haven't really changed anything on this wall since the last video. And then on this one, I just have my remote control holder. We have to have that out. My coasters, just to once again see the wall. All that is where we had to replace windows. And but like I said, usually the curtains are pulled so you can't see it. But my little thrifted pumpkin glass with some little lights in it. And then in the window here is my little Target truck with the little Target pumpkin. I just bought them separately. Had to do this at night. It's raining, so. My fall mantle. See if I can back up and get it all. And I got this inspiration from Olivia at Olivia's Romantic Home. I watched how she did her mantle and her fall decor, and it was so gorgeous. So I took it upon myself to do it also. So I hope you like it. You should check out her channel because she is an excellent, awesome decorator. And then my little fiber optic scarecrow. He's actually from Avon. And I've probably had him 17, 18 years. And then my little acorns. The little acorns in there was a, on my $5 Goodwill Challenge thrift haul last Thanksgiving. And I just added some leaves and acorns and stuff like that in it. And put some fairy lights in it. So I'll give you a view of it from here. Of course, I'm watching a Hallmark movie. And I still have not done anything with those cables. They ruined my whole decor. I've got to figure out something to get that fixed. This is my TV cabinet. Another tree that come from Roses. My little fiber optic turkey came from Avon years ago. The little welcome squirrel was a thrift find. That's a DIY I just kind of put together. And another glass, and it just has some leaves and stuff in it with some pretty lights. And just a few little trays underneath there and a pumpkin. And then my Happy Fall Y'all book. That's the book I make. It's a subscription I do every month. And this is my cabinet. Just have a few little bins up there. That's all the movies I have left in there. I don't have many anymore, and in all those boxes is some filming equipment. course, this is my favorite piece of all. My son and my daughter-in-law gave me that for Christmas almost 2 years ago now. It's a Cinderella carriage with a little saying on the front of it. And those two antique purses, my husband bought me the one on the left at a flea market for $10, and I cherish it. And that one I found at a flea market. And there is my tea sets. Both of those were just recently hauled. Can you see them with good lighting? And then those are just some antique vases at the bottom there. Okay, well that is all for the room tour. Okay guys, here's my 2018 fall kitchen tour, which I will be combining my foyer, my kitchen, outside, and the hallway all in one, because that's all I have left to decorate. And then I'll have a separate video for my living room because it's a lot more in there. So the two rooms were the bigger, and then so I hope you enjoy it. And here we go. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of decorating in here. So, and of course we painted all this a year ago with cabinet paint, and just so you know, it has held up great. It has really held up good. But I will show you the few little touches that I did do in my kitchen. This always stays the same. It's just my little coffee station. And then, of course, my coffee pot, but my windowsill. Okay, I turned my little overhead light off so you could see it a little better. Once again, I took all of this stuff down off all the shelves, run it through the dishwasher, cleaned it, wiped the shelves down really good, and put it back. So I took some off so it's not as cluttered as it was before. But right here in my windowsill, on this side, the little pumpkin was a birthday gift from my best friend. The other two were I've had forever. Thrift haul, I believe that was in one of my Goodwill hauls. And this little stand here come from Kirkland's, but that's my grandmother's strawberry pie recipe I have on there. Okay, and then of course my light, which I hate this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know how to fix it, but I have to have the light over my sink because that's the only one I have. I did get that at the Goodwill for $5, brand new. I changed my curtains, and those are actually hand towels from Target Dollar Spot that I got last year. So actually, a funny story is I went all over town today trying to find some kind of, because you have to use more of the cloth type hand towels to make it work good for curtains. Nobody in town had any. I came home and went digging through my stash and found these brand new, never opened. So always check out and see what you have before you go shopping. But this is that side. Let me turn the light back on now that. So I just kind of kept it simple. Little mittens, which let me just say they come from Walmart. They are not good. They are only good for decor because you will burn your hand with the Dollar Tree and the cheap Walmart mittens. FYI, have done it. This hasn't changed up any. Still the same as I had it before. I did put my little turkey that I got at the Goodwill, and my little hand towel that came from Marshall's, and that one, it was a 2-piece set. So that's my 2 hand towels. And once again, there's my curtains. There's the curtains on the other room. And of course, we have the old ugly air conditioner that we don't take in and out yearly, and usually have long curtains hanging over it, but oh well, it is what it is. We have to have it or burn up one, right? And this was thrift find that was red, and it was like a weird color, and I spray painted it, chalk painted it, and sanded it. And of course, each season I put a book in there. And at Halloween I had Halloween stuff, and now for Thanksgiving I have a turkey. And my big canisters, both of these come from the Goodwill, which are like $15 at Walmart. I got them both for like $2 a piece, $2.50, something like that, less than $3. And then the cookie jar one. And then this is kind of like my candy station and my bread station. We use this, we frequently use this. So, and there's my spoon still up. So nothing really has changed. Not a whole lot of fall decor in this room, but I did want to pop it in and show you the few little touches. Hope you have enjoyed this part of the video, and now we will move into the foyer. Okay guys, the last and final room, and then I'll take you outside and show you the outside. This is my foyer. When you first come in my door, don't have a whole lot here. Just have that little table. It just has a few little fall items. I really do that up a lot at Christmas. See Izzy? She's laying in the hallway. Just do it up really more at Christmas than I do fall time. Just have a little bin, little tin bin down at the bottom with some fall pillows in it. Just a few little touches. Alright, now we're going to go into the hallway. There's our new door that we put up. Needs to be stained and all, but it's up now. And I put that little wreath up there, which I got at Walmart for $2 on clearance. It is a little magnolia wreath. But just so you know, there's not a lot of light in this room, so we're just going to have to do it the best we can. Got my little Bath and Body Works warmer right there, smelling like fall. But you saw this also in my Goodwill challenge. Once again, the inspiration for this comes from Olivia at Olivia's Romantic Home. And this is just it, if you can see it. That's a candle I DIY'd with glitter and a napkin from the Dollar Tree. But it's really dark in this little corner right here. I need to put some kind of lamp. But it looks really pretty with the candles going. Hey guys, here is my outdoor decor. I'll get a close-up view. That's the old cooler we kept horse feed and dog food and stuff in. But and at Halloween time, I had little lit up jack-o'-lanterns all around the front there. But I just took them down. And this white thing was one of my best friend's mother's. She had it outside her house, and when she passed away, she gave it to me. So that means an awful lot to me right there. And I just decorated it for fall. And the flower, that flower right there, I got at the Goodwill on clearance. Well, not on clearance, got it at the Goodwill. And these little dolls right here, I have had for many, many years. And actually this jack-o'-lantern right here and this one right here, they're actually jack-o'-lanterns with a face on the front of them. And I just spun them around so they would just look like pumpkins for the fall. Okay, here is a full view. Alright, well I hope you have enjoyed this house tour video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, comment at the bottom, and until next time.